After this, we'll go for the from 12th question onwards, from 12th to 29, then 30, 31. So, from 12th question, the heading is like this: solve each of the inequation given below, write the solution set and represent it on the number line. So, for this one, I will be taking 13th question. So, what is 13th question here? The 13th question is 2 plus 4x is less than 2x minus 5, which is less than 3x, comma, x belongs to integer. Okay, x belongs to integer. Now, in this question, we have two parts. Yes, the first part is, see here the smaller than symbol is been given. We have to consider the one which is on the left hand side as well as right hand side. So this is one part, right? That means I can take 2 plus 4x is less than 2x minus 5. There is one part. If you look into the other part, so here the lesser than symbol is given. You have to take the expression which is on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. So this is the another part. Okay. The second part is what? The second part is 2x minus 5 is less than 3x. So as usual, you solve this part separately and that one separately. So first we will take the first part, that is 2 plus 4x is less than 2x minus 5. So as usual, write variable one side, constant on the other side. So what I have to do is, I have to change this 2. That means if it is positive 2, what I have to do is subtract 2 on both sides. So what I will get? 2 plus 4x minus 2 less than 2x minus 5 minus 2. So these two will get cancelled. I will get 4x is less than 2x minus 7. Then 2x this side. For that what I have to do is, I have to subtract 2x on both sides. So thereby I will get 4x minus 2x less than 2x minus 7 minus 2x. So 4x minus 2x will be 2x is less than minus 7, or if I multiply by half, I will get half of 2x is less than minus half of 7, or half of minus 7. So x is less than minus 3.5. X is less than minus 3.5. Right? Yes. Next, the other part. This one. So 5 that side and 3x this side. Again, what I have to do is, I have to add 5 on both sides. That is 2x minus 5 plus 5 is less than 3x plus 5. But these two will get cancelled. I will get a 2x is less than 3x plus 5. So 3x this side, is it not so? Then what that is? Subtract 3x on both sides. That is 2x minus 3x less than 3x plus 5 minus 3x. So I will get minus x is less than 5. Already I told you that x should not be negative. So what I should do is, I have to multiply minus on both sides. So multiply minus on both sides. This will become minus of minus 6. When you multiply minus sign, what happens? The inequation sign will change. So lesser than will become greater than minus of 5. So therefore x is greater than minus 5. Yes? Copy down up to this. After this, we will write the solution set as well as the number line. Next, for this you have to draw the solution as well as number line. Yes. Yes. After writing, you write the number line. So x, here you write lesser than symbol as well as the lesser than symbol on both sides. Right. Here what happened? X is lesser than minus 3.5. That means it is very clearly I can write minus 3.5 is greater than x. Minus 3.5 is greater than x. And minus 5 is less than x. Okay. So to write the solution, okay, we have to write the values which are present between minus 3.5 and 5. So among these two, which is the least value? The least value is minus 5. So minus 5 you write on the left side of the x, because the least value will be on the left side. So it is minus 5, and the greater value you write on the right side, that is minus 3.5. So therefore solution set. That means you have to write those values which are present between minus 5 and minus 3.5. See, if I draw the number line for this one, right? Somewhere here, if I take here minus 6, this will be minus 5, this will be minus 4, minus 3, as well as minus 2. Okay, so minus 3.5 lies between minus 4 and minus 3. Somewhere here minus 3.5, somewhere here it is 5. We have to write those values which are present between minus 3.5 and minus 5. Since it is integer, you are supposed to take only the number, and the number which lies between minus 3.4 and minus 5 is minus 4. The solution set is minus 4. Since it is integer, you have to draw the solid circle on minus 4 to represent the graph of the given equation. Right? Yes. next after this we will take the 15th question. After this we will take the 15th question. After this, we'll take the 15th question. The 15th question is like this. Minus 1 is less than or equal to 3 plus 4x is less than 23. It tells that where x belongs to R. Remember, it is a real number. Again, we get two parts. So, that is minus 1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x. This is one part. Right? Then the next part is 3 plus 4x less than 23 is another part. So, you have to solve them separately, then find the value of x, then represent the number line. First I will take minus 1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x. So I write a variable one side, constant on the other side. So what I can do is, I can remove this 3, that is plus 3. To remove that, what I should do is, I have to subtract 3 on both sides. So subtract 3 on both sides. So what happens? Minus 1 minus 3 is less than or equal to 3 plus 4x minus 3. So minus 4 is less than or equal to 4x. Then what I should do? I want only x, I don't want 4x. That means divide by 4, or you can write multiply by 1 by 4. So multiply by 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 minus 4 is less than or equal to 1 by 4 into 4x. So 4 get cancelled. I will get minus 1 is less than or equal to x. Or I can write x is greater than or equal to minus, both way. Next, the other part, that is 3 plus 4x is less than 23. So write variable one side, constant on the other side. This plus 3, what I should do is, I have to subtract 3 on both sides. So 3 plus 4x minus 3 is less than 23 minus 3. So that I will get 4x is less than what? 20. So what I should do? Multiply by 1 by 4. Multiply by 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 4x is less than 1 by 4 into 20. So that I will get x is less than 5. X is less than 5. So you have to draw the values which are present between minus 1 and 5. So therefore, x here lesser than symbol on the other side. So minus 1, 5, which is the smaller value? Minus 1. So minus 1 you write on the left side of the x, and 5 is greater, you write on the right side. Remember, for the minus 1, even equal sign is there, you put the equal sign. Very clearly see, minus 1 is less than or equal to x. Minus 1 is less than or equal to x, and 5 is greater than, 5 is lesser than x. Similarly, 5 is lesser than x. So solution sets. That means you have to write those values which are present between minus 1 and 5. The values which are present between minus 1 and 5 are what? 0, 1, 2, 3 as well as 4. Since for the minus sign, minus 1 equal sign is given, so you have to consider minus 1 also. So therefore, the solutions are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 as well as 4. For this, we have to draw the number line. You can consider, if you want, you can consider from minus 2 or minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, you can extend this up to 5. Extend up to 5. So here we have to draw the line on the number line, that is a thick line from where? From minus 1 to 5. Minus 1 to 5. Where is minus 1? Minus 1 to 5. Since it is a real number, you are supposed to draw the thick line from minus 1 to 5. Okay. For minus 1, equal sign is given. So therefore, you have to put the solid circle. For 5, it is only lesser than symbol. That means there is no equal sign. Hence, you have to put the arrow. This is how we are supposed to represent this. Copy down. Yes, after the 15th question, we will take a 19th question. 19th question is about natural numbers. 19th question, that is 1 is greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x, which is greater than 2x minus 27, where x belongs to n, that is the natural numbers. I repeat the question, 1 is greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x, which is greater than 2x minus 27. Again, we have two parts of the question. First part is this one, that is 1 greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x. What is the second part? This is the second part. What is the second part? That is 15 minus 7x greater than 2x minus 27. Right? Now, we'll solve the first part first. So write the variable one side, constant on the other side. Plus 15 is there. What I can do is, I can subtract 15 on both sides. So subtract 15 on both sides. Right? 1 minus 15 is greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x minus 15. Definitely I'll get minus 14 is greater than or equal to minus 7x. I want only x, I don't want 7x or minus 7x. So what I should do? Multiply by 1 by 7. 1 by 7 minus 14 greater than or equal to 1 by 7 minus 7x. So 7 one time, 7 two times. So minus 2 is greater than or equal to minus 6. Remember, x is negative, you have to make it positive. To make it positive, what you have to do? You have to multiply both sides with negative sign. Thereby what happens? Greater than or equal will become lesser than equal. So multiply by minus on both sides. So thereby what happens? Minus of minus 2 is less than or equal to minus of minus x. So 2 is less than or equal to x. This is the first. Next, here what happened? You have to write a variable one side and the constant on the other side. So what I can do is subtract, okay, 2x on both sides. So 15 minus 7x minus 2x is greater than 2x minus 27 minus 2x. So I will get 15 minus 9x is greater than minus 27. So I have to remove 15. So what I should do? I should subtract 15 on both sides. Now this will become 15 minus 9x minus 15 is greater than minus 27 minus 15. So minus 9x is greater than minus, what is the addition of 27? Minus 27 minus 15. Both are same sign, you should add. If you add, how much you get? 42, right? 42. Then I should divide both sides with 9. Or multiply by 9. Multiply by 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 minus 9x, right, is greater than minus 42 by 9. So I'll get minus x is greater than minus, what is 42 divided by 9? Yes, what is 42 divided by 9? Is it 4.66? 4.66 or 67. So I have to remove negative sign with for the x. So this will become what? Multiply by minus on both sides. So what happens? Minus of minus x. When I multiply, what happened? Lesser, greater than will become lesser than. Minus of minus 4.67. So x is less than 4.67. We have to represent the number line for this one. So I will take the number line. Okay. Now very clearly I can write x here, lesser than symbol on the either side, 2 and 4.66, which is the smaller value 2, right on the left side, and 4.67 on the, he is asking you to find the value, okay, which are natural numbers. So even equal sign is been given, this should be equal to. So therefore solution set, or what? You have to write those values which are present between 2 and 4.6. The values which are present between 2 and 4.6 is 3 and 4. Since it is natural number, we will get 3 and 4. Since equal sign is given, so 2 is also considered, you will get 2, 3 as well as 4. So to draw the number line, you can start anywhere. If you want, you can take 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 as well as 5. Since it is natural number, you are supposed to draw the dark circle on 2, 3 as well as 4. So this is 19th question. After this, we'll take the 28th question. is after this we'll take a 28th question. 28th question is like this. 2y minus 3 less than y plus 1, which is less than or equal to 4y plus 7, x belongs to R, natural numbers. Remember, here the variable y is taken. So earlier problems the variable was x, now the variable is y. So variable can be taken x, y, z. Most of the times they will consider x only. Even if you take y and z, there is no problem in it. So again, there are two parts. So this is the first part, that is 2y minus 3 less than x plus 1, and this is the second part, which is y plus 1 is less than or equal to 4y plus 7. Now what I should do? Same as usual what we have done when the variable x is got. Right. So subtract y on both sides. Y means 1y only. 2y minus 3 minus y less than y plus 1 minus 1. So 2y minus 1y will give you y or 1y minus 3 less than 1. Right, again variable one side, constant on the other side. It is minus 3, make it plus 3. So that means add 3 on both sides. So y minus 3 plus 3 is lesser than 1 plus 3. Very clearly y is less than 4. Y is less than 4. Next, on the other part, right? You can write variable one side, constant on the other side. So what I can do? Subtract 4y on both sides. So y plus 1 minus 4y lesser than or equal to 4y plus 7 minus 4y. I am telling you, if you want you can subtract y. So that means variable can be written on either side, either on the left side or on the right side. But the students have the tendency to write on the left side. That is the reason I have taken on the left side. So y minus 4y is what? Minus 3y plus 1 is lesser than or equal to 7. Okay, then I have to remove 1. So what I should do? Subtract 1 on both sides. So minus 3y plus 1 minus 1 is less than or equal to 7 minus 1. So minus 3y is less than or equal to 6. So I have to remove, I want only y, don't want 3y or negative 3y. So what I should do? Multiply by 3. So multiply by, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 3y is less than or equal to 1 by 3 into 6. So I will get minus y is less than or equal to 2. Okay, y should not be negative. To make it positive, what we should do? We should multiply by minus sign on both sides. So minus of minus 1. When I multiply the variable with negative sign, thereby what happens? Inequation changes. That means lesser than equal will become greater than or equal minus of 2. So therefore y is greater than or equal to minus 2. Now y on both sides you write a lesser than symbol. You take those values which are greater value, write on the right side, and the smaller value you can write on the left side. That means minus 2 as well as 4. So between minus 2 and y there is equal sign. This can also be written as minus 2 is less than or equal to y. You can write like that also. Okay, either way it is correct. Now you have to write the solution. Yes, You have to write the solutions. Solution set. That means you have to take those values which are present between minus 2 and 4. The values which are present between minus 2 and 4 are what? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 as well as 4. Since equal sign is given for minus 2, hence minus 2 is also considered. Minus 2 is also considered. For this, you have to draw the number line. From where? From, if you want, you can start with minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Okay. Since it is a real number, you are supposed to draw the thick line on the number line. From where to where? From minus 2 to 4. From minus 2 to 4. From minus 2 to 4. Minus 2 to 4. Remember, for minus 2 equal sign is given, hence you have to put the solid circle on it. For 4 equal sign is not given, so you have to put the halo circle for that. Halo circle for that. This is how 28th question is about. Next, I think this is the last question, that is the 30th question. 30th and 31st question, both one and same only. So that is the reason I will be taking 30th question and 31st question you are supposed to do. Yes. In the 30th question, he has given P is equal to X such that 5 is less than 2x minus 1, which is less than or equal to 11, comma, x belongs to R. Then the second question he has given Q x such that minus 1 is less than or equal to 3 plus 4x, which is less than 23, where x belongs to I. Right? And further in the question he has asked you to find out P intersection Q. Okay, he has asked you to find P intersection Q. We will do P intersection Q as well as P union Q also. Okay, first we will take this part, P separate and Q separate. Remember, P, it is a real number, and Q, it is an integer. That means number line will be different for both. First we will take the first part of the question. So that is 5 less than 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to 11. Again it is two part. The first part is this one and this is the second part. So we'll take one by one. First part, 5 is less than 2x minus 1. So write variable one side, constant one side. So what I should do? I have to remove minus 1. To remove minus 1, what I should do? Add 1 on both sides. So 5 plus 1 is less than 2x minus 1 plus 1. So 6 is less than 2x. 6 is less than 2x. So I want only x, I don't want 2x. Again, what I should do? Divide by 2, or you can multiply by 1 by 2. I'll take this time division. Divide by 2 on both sides. So thereby I will get 3 is greater than x. 3 is greater than, sorry, 3 is lesser than x. Sorry, 3 is less than x. Second part of the equation. What is the second part of the equation? We have 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to 11. Again, write variable one side, constant on the other side. It is minus 1. So what you have to do? You have to add 1 on both sides. So I will get 2x minus 1 plus 1 less than or equal to 11 plus 1. So 2x is less than or equal to 12. So then what I should do? I should divide by 2, or you can multiply with 1 by 2. So take divide by 2 on both sides. So thereby what happens? I will get x is less than or equal to 6. Right? So this is the first part, and this is the second. So we have to write the solution set for this one. We have to draw the graph also. So solution set, very big solution set, x here also lesser than. Among these two, which is the least value? 3. 3 you write on the left side. The greater value on the right side of the x. If you look what happens, see, 3 is lesser than x, right? And x is lesser than or equal to 6. So solution sets. That means you have to write those values which are present between 3 and 6. That is 4 as well as 5. For 6, equal sign is given. 6 is also considered. So you have to draw the number line for this one. So number line, I will take 3, 4, 5, 6 as well as 7. Since it is a real number, you have to draw what? A line from where? From 3 to 6. From 3 to 6. Remember, 3 for 3 equal sign is not given. That is not included. It is not included means what you have to do? You have to put the arrow circle. For 6, equal sign is given. It is included. Hence you have to put the solid circle for this. This is how we represent the number line. So therefore, the solution set of P are what? 4, 5 as well as 6. Next, this one. So again, this is two part. So this is the first part. And this is the second part. Again, make it into two parts. So that is, first one is minus 1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x. Write 3 one side, that is constant one side, variable on the other side. So what I can do is subtract 3 on both sides. So minus 1 minus 3 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x minus 3. So this will give you minus 4 less than or equal to 4x. I want only x, I don't want 4x. So for that what I should do? Multiply by 1 by 4 or divide by 4. So divide by 4 on both sides. So what I will get? Minus 4 divided by 4 less than or equal to 4x divided by 4. So therefore I will get minus 1 is less than or equal to x. This is the first part. What is the second part we have there? So 3 plus, we'll take here only, 3 plus 4x is less than 23. Write variable one side, constant on the other side. So subtract 3 on both sides. So 4x, 3 plus 4x minus 3 is less than 23 minus 3. I will get 4x is less than 20. So I want only x, I don't want 4x. So what I should do is divide by 4 on both sides. So therefore I will get x is less than 5. So you have to write the solution set x lesser than one side, greater than one side. So minus 1 and 5, which is the smaller value? Minus 1. Write minus 1 here, 5 here. Right, for minus 1 equal sign is given, you take the equal sign. So what are the solution set? Solution set are what? We have to write those values which are present between minus 1 and 5. The values which are present between minus 1 and 5 are what? 0, 1, 2, 3 as well as 4. So minus 1 is included, hence you take minus 1 also. So for this, you have to draw the number line. From where to where? You have to take minus 1 if you want. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as well as 5. Remember, it is an integer. Integer means what? You have to put the solid circle on the number line. From where to where? From minus 1 to 4. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, I will get this is nothing but q. So q is what? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and p is what? 4, 5, and 6. So what is p? We got p is equal to what? 4, 5, 6, as well as q is equal to what we got? We got minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 as well as 4. The question is, he has asked you to find out P intersection Q. Okay, even we can do P union Q also. Intersection union. So union means what? You have to write those values which are present in both sets, okay, only for one time. Okay, union means what? You have to write both values which are present in both sets. Sorry, you have to write those values which are present in both sets. Okay, maximum of one time. What are those values you will get? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well as 6. I said you have to write the values which are present in both sets maximum of one time. Because okay, right, 4 is repeated 2 times. You can't take, you have to take only one time. Union means you have to take only the common element. Union, intersection means you have to consider only the elements which are present in both sets. I repeat again, union means you have to take the elements which are present in both sets maximum of one time. Whereas intersection means you have to take the element which are present in both, that is the common element. So among these two, the common element is 4. Okay, so repeat again, union means you have to take all the elements present in both the sets maximum of one time. Intersection means you have to take the common element. So this is what the linear inequation is completed. If you have any doubts, the problems which is given as a homework, you can ask that in the regular class. Okay, thank you students. One more, if you have any doubts, you can ask you can ask by contacting my number. I think I already have given in the class. Okay, still if it is not possible for you, once the school starts, those problems, if you have a doubt, you can clarify. So the problems which I left in the exercise are nothing but homework. It has to be done. Any doubts, you can clarify through phone, or you can clarify when you come to the school. Right, thank you.